Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Today's word is culture. So, what exactly is culture? Well, in simple terms, culture refers to the customs, traditions, beliefs, and social organizations of a particular group of people. It's everything that makes a group unique and distinguishes them from others. Think about the food, the music, the language, the art, the clothing, and the holidays that a group celebrates. All of these things contribute to their culture. We use the word culture all the time in everyday language. For example, you might say, "I'm learning about Japanese culture in my history class," or "that restaurant serves traditional Italian culture food." It's a word that helps us understand and appreciate the diversity of the world around us. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to culture, also known as synonyms. A close synonym is heritage. We often use heritage to talk about the traditions and values passed down through generations. For instance, celebrating our heritage is important for maintaining our identity. Another synonym is traditions. Traditions are specific customs or beliefs that are passed down from parents to children. For example, one of our family traditions is to have a big dinner on Christmas Eve. We can also use the word customs. Customs are the usual or accepted ways of behaving in a particular society or community. As an example, tipping is a custom in many restaurants in America. Another useful synonym is lifestyle. Lifestyle refers to the way a person or group lives, including their habits, customs, and choices. For instance, a healthy lifestyle includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. A further synonym is civilization, particularly when discussing the overall development and social organization of a society. For example, ancient Greek civilization made significant contributions to art and philosophy. Now, let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of culture. One antonym could be nature, when used to describe something untouched by human influence or societal norms. For instance, the beauty of nature is often contrasted with the complexities of human culture. Another antonym is ignorance, when used to imply a lack of understanding or appreciation of cultural differences. For example, showing disrespect for other cultures is a sign of ignorance. We can also consider unfamiliarity, which represents a lack of knowledge or experience with a particular culture. As an example, the traveler experienced some unfamiliarity with the local culture. Let's think about how we use culture in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "I'm going to a cultural festival this weekend," or "she's studying abroad to immerse herself in a new culture." You could also hear, "different cultures have different ideas about what is polite." Consider these example sentences and phrases using the word culture. The culture of Japan is known for its politeness and respect. Learning about different cultures can broaden your horizons. She is a strong advocate for preserving her culture. The museum has an exhibit showcasing the art of various cultures. Food is an important part of any culture. Music and dance are powerful expressions of culture. He's interested in the culture of ancient Rome. The company has a culture of innovation. This book explores the culture of poverty. We need to be sensitive to different cultural norms. So, to recap, culture refers to the customs, traditions, beliefs, and social organizations of a group of people. We explored synonyms like heritage, traditions, customs, lifestyle, and civilization, and antonyms like nature, ignorance, and unfamiliarity. We also saw how culture is used in everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, so we can continue to explore the wonderful world of words together. And now, your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word culture and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.